If you're planning to visit Lake Louise in Banff National Park, you'll have to plan much in advance for you to book this Park Canada shuttle service. So every year you get to know the launch date, like how it is mentioned here, and you will see how quickly this gets booked. So make sure you plan in advance and do the booking much in advance to avoid any surprise. I'll show you how you can do this booking, where to go, how to do the reservation, and what all you need. This is the link to the website. The link will be there in the description so that you can directly come here. Once you're here, come down and you see here Parks Canada Shuttle Reserve Now. Once you click here, you come to this page and by default it shows shuttle. Choose the date, and sometimes those dates what you're choosing might not even be available. So for example, 24th, and the party size, whatever the head count is, you make that entry and do the search. So you get to see this here, and here it shows the timing 6:30 to 11 a.m., 11 to 3, and then 3 to 6 for Lake Louise. Click on the link. So for example, I click here, then you see these are all unavailable dates which you see here. So the booking happens pretty much quickly. So it's important that you do this in advance. If you're looking to start early to Moraine Lake, then you can select the Alpine Start Shuttle, which is between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. departure time. And this departs from Lake Louise Lakeshore parking lot. These last minute departure dates, even though shows available, even if you select, this will not be available for reservation. And here it says limited space will be held for last minute reservation and will be released daily at 8 a.m. MDT 2 days before the scheduled departure. So the window for the ticket is 1 hour, and you may show up anytime during that hour. It is risky, and I would not do if I am traveling from any other province. I would like to have a confirmed booking. So just click here and you get to see the dates which are available. I'm showing this how the reservation works. You'll have to do this much in advance so that you get your preferred date and time. You can see here September 1st is when I'm getting the earliest, when I'm making this video in June. And even that did not go through. So I'm showing you for the October 13th where this is available, and once it shows as reserved, you click here, then you do the acknowledgement, and then this is the place where you, if you wish to do an edit, by now you would have confirmed everything. If you still need to do an edit, you can go and do this. If not, just come down here. You need a printed download copy for the reservation confirmation email what you get, and cell service is limited at park and ride. Better to get a printout, photo ID matching the name and reservation. So when you do the booking, you'll get to see that you will be giving your name and all the addresses once you make the selection here. So once you confirm reservation detail, you will get the information on where the checkout is. Let's click here. So then you get to see how much it is. If you want to edit or remove reservation, you can do it now. If not, proceed to checkout, and then one of the credential to log in. Best is to use GC key. This is what my preference is. If you're in Canada, you might have used GC key at some point or the other, and it's easier to just use either GC key or Interact. And this way you will have everything at one place. Whatever the choice you make, I'll show you for the GC key. Once you click on continue, you come to this page, and here you have option to log in with your bank or GC key. I'm going with GC key. Enter username, password, and then you sign in after going through the credential. I made a video on creating GC key in case you're interested and you have to sign up. You can watch that video. So once your username, password is entered and you have signed in, you will come to this page, and here once you come to the right top hand corner, you will see this one item in cart. So just click here. You come to this review reservation detail section again. If you want to make any changes, you can do those changes. And once you're good with all the detail, for example, you see right now I have made the amendment to one guest. So whatever changes you want to do, you do that and then come down, check this part and then confirm reservation detail. You come to the shopping cart section where again the total is shown. Remember, I have reduced the head count. So once you have gone through this detail, proceed to checkout and then review the policy. You make those selections, confirm acknowledgement, then your account information detail shows up. That's your name, your email ID, address, phone number, all of those. In case you want to update that, you can still do that here. If everything is good, keep that as it is because you will be validating this with your photo ID which you have. It could be your driving license, for example. So once you have confirmed this detail, click here. In this occupant detail section, I will be the occupant or someone else will be the occupant. Make that selection, confirm occupant, and then the party info, you confirm the party info. Then you enter the credit card information and apply payment. Once you do this and confirm the last step, you will get an email notification on your reservation. And also on this website, you will be able to see the booking detail. And when you go there, you produce it. Just make sure you take a printout so that you don't have to figure out in case there is no internet in that place.